Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video guys, I want to show you a way that you can make some money on Fiverr online from the comfort of your home. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivek, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can make some money on Fiverr by being a personal stylist, right? You heard me right, a personal stylist. So if you love fashion, if you have a thing for putting together different pieces, outfits, matching accessories, all of those things, you can offer that service online as a personal stylist or even a personal shopper. All right. So let us go on Fiverr and see what that service entails. All right. So here I am on the Fiverr platform, and you can join Fiverr for free. There is a link in the description for you to join, um, and you can start making some money. So, as I said, one of the services that you can offer is to become a personal stylist for persons, right? And on the platform, so far there are 1,287 services available, which is not that many compared to other services that are offered on the platform. So um, you can create a gig or more than one gigs on the platform and offer this as a service and get paid. You can do it from the comfort of your home, right? So this is just one way that you can use whatever talents that you have. So if it comes naturally to you to have an eye for fashion, or if you have taken a course, you can use it to your advantage and start making some money. All right, guys. So here on the platform, this person says, I will be your personal shopper and stylist, right? And they have already had 34 five-star reviews and currently have 3 orders in the queue, right? And this is their service. These are their services. So one, the basic service is $30, right? And it gives you 3 looks, accessory addition, lookbook creation, shoe matching. So guys, trust me, if you love fashion, this is something that you can offer as a service, right? The standard is 45. You get 5 looks, accessories addition, lookbook creation, shoe matching. And the premium package is $55 and you get 7 looks, accessory addition, lookbook creation, shoe matching, right? So this is just one person offering this service as a personal shopper and a stylist, right? The next one is I will be your personal fashion stylist or create style boards, right? So not sure what style boards are, but if you love fashion, maybe this is something that you are familiar with and you can offer this as well as being a personal stylist, right? And currently this person has 1 order in queue and 27 five-star reviews, right? So the basic package for this person is $75. You get 5 looks, accessory addition, shoe matching, right? The standard is $135 and you get 10 looks, accessory addition, shoe matching. And the premium is $195 and you get 15 looks, accessory addition, and shoe matching. Right, guys? So, as I said, if you love fashion, you can start making some money on Fiverr by offering this service. All right. So let's go to the other one. This person says, I will advise the best hairstyle and outfits for your makeover. Oh my God. Wow. Guys, the possibilities are endless. So, guys, look at this best hairstyle and outfits for your makeover. So, this person has gotten 26 5-star reviews and currently has one order in queue. All right, so his basic package is $30. You get two looks and one lookbook creation. No, one lookbook creation. The others are not checked, so you only get one lookbook creation, right? The standard, no, you get two looks and you get lookbook creation, shoe matching. And the premium, you get three looks, accessory addition, lookbook creation, and shoe matching. So, guys, you can tailor your services how you want. You can price them based on what your experiences are, what you are willing to design, what to create, whatever service that you want to offer, whatever package you want to offer. You can create it, you can set your price, and you can start making some money. All right, so the last one is I will be your personal stylist and shopper. This person has already 61 5-star reviews, guys. As I said, the possibilities are endless. Don't waste your talent. Use your talent to start making some money, right? And you don't even have to have a degree to even start this business, right? Some you can be just you can be just passionate about this thing. It just comes naturally to you, or you, as I said, you may have taken a course. Just start using whatever talent, whatever skill, whatever knowledge that you have, and start making some money, right? And currently, this person has two orders in queue, right? And the basic package, you get two looks, accessory addition, lookbook creation, shoe matching, and the price is $70, right? The standard is you get it's a wardrobe refresh. Let me go back to the basic and see what it is. It quick looks. That's the title of the basic package, right? And the standard is wardrobe refresh, right? And you get five looks, accessory additions, lookbook creation, shoe matching, and it's $150, right? The premium now is a complete wardrobe refresh for $250. And what you get for that? You get 10 looks, accessory addition, lookbook creation, shoe matching. Guys, please start making some money on Fiverr, right? It's not very competitive, so you can start making some money on the side, right? Or this can be like a full-time job for you, right? And you can, as I said, you can do whatever other knowledge you have, you can upsell it to these persons, right? You don't have to be just a personal stylist or a shopper, right? You can, I mean, if it's a case where the person has a boutique or something, you can organize it for them. Whatever knowledge that you have, you can offer it as an upsell your service and get more um more money, right? Create more money, right? And this can be like you a recurring customer or customers who always want your service. So you never know, just start it, just try it and see where it goes. And you can even move away from the Fiverr platform. You can create your own website as to be as a personal stylist or a shopper, right? Or you can create your own YouTube channel and offer and showcase your service on your YouTube channel, right? And you can link it back to your either your Fiverr account, or you can link it back to your own website, right, guys? So if you found this video helpful and you enjoy the content, please like the videos, please subscribe to the channel, please share the videos to someone who may find this informative and interesting, and please leave a comment down below. When you like the videos, guys, it YouTube shows the video to more persons, and it will help the channel to grow. So guys, please support the channel in any way possible. Check the links in the description below to sign up for Fiverr to start making some money, and I will see you guys in another video. So bye everyone, take care and start making some money.